Arriving in Puerto Rico after just responding to Houston, Maha Jabber says she was taken back by the damage.
Everything looked burnt and dead to basically a disaster. Just trees falling everywhere, houses completely destroyed.
Her 4-person team jumping right in, traveling to remote areas with a truck full of food and water.
You know, island folks can live without electricity. They know how to live without power, but nobody knows how to live without water.
But without GPS or communication, the team relied on locals, many who'd lost everything, now guiding them.
It was really difficult, but it just warms my heart because the people of Puerto Rico are definitely the warmest, most loving, caring people.
It was around the same time that Pat Murtaugh arrived in St. Croix with her own team.
I think one of the things that struck me most was the fact that there were no leaves on any of the trees.
The island's infrastructure devastated after a 1-2 punch. Hurricane Irma, followed by Maria only 2 weeks later.
The storm really didn't discriminate in terms of whose home it destroyed. And everyone, for the most part, really worked together inside the shelter and got along.
Listening to stories of people's roofs peeling off above them.
They described it as sounding like an engine coming down a track, and it went on for hours and hours and hours.
Making it her mission to help them rebuild, physically and mentally.
Would you like this hot meal or would you like this snack? And helping people make little decisions and then helping people ultimately make bigger decisions, like what is the next step for you to sort of pull your life together.
A year later, the two still keeping in touch with many of the people they met.
I won't forget any of them. I miss them, actually. And it was difficult to part from them because I knew that they still had so much work to do.
And thankful to see the story still getting coverage. For many, their road to recovery far from its end.
I think people need to know that Puerto Rico still needs help. And I think there's a lot of things that people haven't seen, and they can use all the help that they can get.
Erin Dixon, WMTW News 8.